Good morning students, welcome back to your online classes. So today we are going to continue with Maths 2 Chapter 2 Parallel Lines. This is the third part of our video. Myself Fawzia Sayyed. Students, note down that you have to watch each and every video on full screen mode. So in earlier video we have completed till question number 3. Now we are going to start with practice set 2.1 question number 4. Okay, so what is the question? In the given figure, sides of angle PQR and angle XYZ are parallel to each other. Prove that angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. So this is angle PQR and this is angle XYZ. The given information is sides of these two triangles are parallel. It means PQ is parallel to XY and YZ is parallel to QR. So now we have to prove that angle PQR is congruent. So now what we're going to do, we'll extend this line y on ray QP, so that we'll get Q dash S dash P. So it means that we're going to extend this here line as, see here students, y dash here. Okay, so this point is nothing but our S. Okay students, so given information is ray YZ is parallel to ray QR. So this YZ is parallel to ray QR and this YX is parallel to ray PQ. So we have to prove this angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. Now we have to extend ray YZ in the opposite direction. It intersects ray QP at point S. So we have to extend YZ on the ray extend ray YZ in the opposite direction, so that ray Q पे वो क्या करेंगे, intersect करेगी at point S. Now solution, this is the same things repeated over here. Solution, you have to prove. Now proof, since ray YX is parallel to ray QP, YX क्या है, ray P से parallel है, ray YX is parallel to ray SP, YX SP से भी parallel होंगी because Q dash S dash P है. So therefore angle PSY will be congruent to angle XYZ, since PS is parallel to XY and this YZ is a transversal, or we can say SZ is a transversal, so that we can say that this angle PSY is equal to angle XYZ, or we can say congruent, because this angle Y, see here, this angle Y is congruent to angle S. So angle PSY is congruent to angle XYZ by corresponding angle. So we'll say equation number 1. So now we'll relate, as we have related these two sides, now we're going to relate these two sides. So now what we're going to do, we can see that ray YZ is parallel to ray QR. This YZ is parallel to ray QR, right? So ray SZ parallel to ray SZ parallel to ray QR. So where is SZ? SZ is parallel to QR because S dash Y dash Z, right? So it means that now further angle PSY is congruent to angle SQR. So where is PSY? PSY is congruent to angle SQR. So SQR, right? PSY congruent है SQR से, because corresponding angle से. So therefore angle PSY is congruent to angle SQR, or we can say therefore angle PQR से भी congruent रहेगा angle PSY, right? PQR से क्यों रहेगा, because P dash S dash Q है, right? इसीलिए PSY congruent है SQR से. So therefore this PQR is congruent to PSY. Okay students, so from this corresponding angles, so we have this equation PSY congruent to PQR. It means that in first angle XYZ is congruent to PSY, and in second angle PSY is congruent to angle PQR. It means that angle XYZ is congruent to angle PQR from equation 1 and 2. Okay students, now question number 5. In the given figure, line AB is parallel to line CD. So this AB is parallel to CD and line PQ is transversal. So this line is transversal. So we can apply here corresponding one. Okay. So measure of one of the angle is given. So here this angle is given. Okay, BPT, BRT, or we can say BRT is given. Angle BRT. So now we have to find the measures of the following angles. तो हम लोगों को नीचे दिए हुए एंगल्स के मेजरमेंट फाइंड करना है. तो द वेरी फर्स्ट इज एंगल ART. So where is ART? ART. So what is ART? Angle ART plus angle BRT is equals to 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair, right? एक लाइन में ही आ रहे हैं, right? तो ये क्या होता है, एडिशन इनका सप्लीमेंट्री होता है. इट मीन्स दैट 180 डिग्री होता है. So angle ART plus BRT is equals to 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair. Now we have angle BRT is equals to 105 degree. So what we're going to do, we'll place this 105 on the right hand side. So we'll get 180. So that 180 minus 105. So 180 minus 105 is nothing but 75 degree. So we'll say equation number 2. Okay, and given information we have said that equation number 1. So now angle ART we got. Now CTQ. Where is CTQ? Angle CTQ. Okay. So angle CTQ, since line AB is parallel to CD and PQ is transversal, so angle ART will be congruent to angle CTQ. Corresponding angles, right? Corresponding angles है. So ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये congruent हो जाएगा. So angle CTQ is equals to angle ART. Since angle ART we got as 75 degree, so therefore angle CTQ will also be equal to 75 degree from equation number 2. Okay students. Now third, what we have to find now, angle DTQ. So where is DTQ? DTQ. Now DTQ is corresponding to which one? BRT. Since AB and CD is parallel and PQ is the transversal, so line AB and line CD and line AB is parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Therefore this angle DTQ will be equal to BRT, since it is corresponding angle. So we have BRT as 105 degree from 1. So therefore angle DTQ will also be equals to 105 degree from 1. Now angle PRB. So where is PRB? PRB. So what will be equal to PRB? PRB किससे equal होगा? ART से, because ये क्या है, vertically opposite angle है, right? So what is ART? ART we got as 75. ART we got as 75 degree. So therefore PRB will also be equal to 75 degree from equation number 2. Okay students, thank you for attending the lecture. So we have completed this practice set 2.1. In next video we are going to start with 2.2. Complete your notes properly.